How we doing? Landon with attention to detail here. Just finish up this Infinity. We did a outside wash with a graphene ceramic wash afterwards. Out here in Florida sun, it's probably 90 degrees out here, no clouds, direct sunlight, black car, very hot, can barely keep your hand on that paint. And we use the graphene spray out here with no shade. Graphene wash, I apologize. And as you can see here, no streaks, no messes, beautiful hydrophobic ability. The water is just beating right off of there. The glass. And my favorite, the wheels and all the nooks and crannies where all the bugs and whatnot tend to get into. Comes right off. I am a true believer in this product. This is my first time using it, and I can't wait to experiment with it more in the future and see what this company has to offer in the future. Thank you.